recipe is gone.
Where did it go?
Swiper must have taken it. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to make courage cookies.
Your cookies will be tasteless without these sugar, salt, and flour.
We have to go to the confused kitchen, then the dusty warehouse, and finally, the silent garden. Let's repeat. Confused kitchen, dusty warehouse, silent garden. We're looking for adventure, a journey to explore. With courage in our hearts, we'll open every door. Jerry, can you help us find the numbers on these jars? Laughter sugar. It tastes sweet and makes us laugh. How are we gonna avoid all this dust? We have to find the calm flower. The flower doesn't have a strong smell. Come on, smell it. Which smell is the lightest?
Great! The cauliflower is in hand.
Come on, guys, all together. Swiper, don't take our ingredients.
Swiper, don't take our ingredients.
Ah, man!
We did it! Spirit salt makes us excited. The courage cake is ready. Thank you for being brave enough to help us. We've got the courage cookies. See you on the next adventure.